Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Alex, and this is Expansion. Today, we're diving into something huge, a revolution that's brewing at the intersection of artificial intelligence and blockchain. These two technologies are set to completely reshape our world, which brings up a critical question. Who is going to lead this new era? In this explainer, we're going to break it all down. To really get a grip on the sheer scale we're talking about, just look at this number. As of August 2025, that is a staggering $140.6 billion locked in decentralized finance. We're talking about a global, automated financial system built right on the blockchain. So yeah, this isn't some niche market anymore. It's a colossal ecosystem with some very real-world gravity.
But, and this is the central paradox, a recent study shows that nearly 90% of global companies have already started adopting blockchain in some form. So, if the corporate world is all in, why isn't this technology a seamless part of your daily life? Why aren't you using it to buy your coffee? That's the core issue we're unpacking today.
So let's really break down this paradox. Let's look at the core barriers holding this incredible technology back from its world-changing potential.
Now, what's really interesting here is the breakdown of those barriers. Look closely. Regulatory uncertainty, 27%, and simple user mistrust, 25%. You put those together, and that's more than half the battle right there. It tells us the problem isn't just about the tech, it's about people, policy, and trust.
And this brilliantly illustrates the raw technical bottleneck. The Bitcoin network, which is one of the most robust, handles around 650,000 transactions a day. But mass market apps, the stuff we all use, they need to handle millions of transactions a day just to function. The current infrastructure just can't keep up. It's like trying to fit a river through a garden hose.
So how do we solve this? This is where our second megatrend comes into play. AI isn't just a buzzword here, it's the missing link. It's the powerful catalyst that can systematically break down every single one of these barriers we just saw.
And this is where the synergy becomes crystal clear. See, AI doesn't just offer one single fix. It provides a targeted solution for each of blockchain's core weaknesses. It can transform those clunky interfaces into truly personalized, intuitive experiences. It can replace human error and security with automated, around-the-clock vigilance. And it can turn network bottlenecks into intelligently managed data flows.
And the impact is just dramatic. Let's take security, for example. AI systems can detect fraudulent transactions up to 90% faster than our traditional methods. We're already seeing startups like Octane raising millions to use AI to audit smart contracts, preventing exactly the kind of costly exploits that have plagued the industry for years. Speaking of which, for more insights on tech breakthroughs just like this, you should definitely join our Expansion Telegram channel. We're always sharing a ton of useful information and insights there.
But this combination does way more than just fix existing problems. It actually lays the groundwork for a completely new digital economy, and it all starts with a concept called decentralized AI.
And this isn't just some upgrade, it's a total philosophical shift. An initiative called Sentient has proposed what they call the OML framework. It's a brand new way to develop AI, ensuring models are open, monetizable, and loyal. And the key here is that loyalty. It's to the community that helps build it, not to a single corporation.
Let's break down what OML actually means. First, open. The models are accessible for everyone to use and build upon. Simple. Second, monetizable. Anyone who contributes, whether it's with data, code, or computing power, gets fairly rewarded through the blockchain. And third, loyal. The AI is fundamentally aligned with the values and goals of its community. This structure could foster a far more transparent and equitable AI ecosystem. But just as we're solving today's problems with AI, a new, massive challenge is appearing on the horizon. The existential threat that quantum computers pose to all current blockchain security. And this is not science fiction. This timeline shows that Q-Day, the day a quantum computer can break current encryption, is a very concrete engineering challenge with a very real deadline. The first crypto-relevant machines are predicted by 2027, and by 2030, major players like IBM are projecting a machine capable of just shattering today's security standards.
Now, the solution is called post-quantum cryptography, but it comes with a massive trade-off. This number, 50x, represents the shocking size increase of the new, quantum-safe digital signatures compared to what we use today.
And the consequence of that 50x increase is critical. A change that drastic could reduce a blockchain's transaction capacity by over 90%. It would cripple network speeds and completely reverse all the progress we've made on scalability. It's a huge performance challenge that absolutely has to be solved. So where does all this lead? Well, we're looking at three possible futures.
The optimistic view, with about a 40% probability, sees breakthroughs leading to a fully autonomous digital economy by 2030. The pessimistic view, a 10% chance, sees the quantum threat winning and big tech centralizing all the AI. But the most likely path, the realistic scenario at 50%, is a gradual integration, with hybrid human-AI governance systems becoming the new normal.
Which brings us right back to our central question. The convergence of AI and blockchain is creating a revolution. It is not a matter of if, but when and how. The technology is here, the challenges are clear, and the future is absolutely up for grabs. So the question is, who will lead it? Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you all take care and wishing you the very best. You've been listening to the Expansion Podcast.